Good morning! So Wednesday na ngayon. Papunta kaming Boso-Boso. We're meeting up our convoy. We are heading to, well, two groups. We're heading to Santa Ines, my group. Tapos ang group ni Dodo is going to Daraitan. Ready ako mag-camp just in case mapagod or mahirapan. Basta meron kaming pagkain, meron akong panluto, meron akong tubig. Ang cargo ko would be clothes for the people in Santa Ines. Dahil nung bumagyo ang Ulysses, nawala lahat, even their livestock and their livelihood. So we're helping out in our own way kasi hindi karaniwan ng kalsada doon at kailangan ng 4x4 na trucks. So we'll try to help out about 1,000 or more families. Onward!
Okay, first of all, on behalf of Camp Boa, Jungle Base, and the rest of the team ng Off-Grid, we would like to thank everyone who joined this relief operation para dun sa mga nasalanta na typhoon. We have two groups. Alam nyo na yung groups nyo, Daraitan and Santa Ines. Daraitan group will follow me. Santa Ines group will follow with si Alex, yung silver na Hilux. Santa Ines group will follow Alex. So from Santa Ines, mag-i-split yung group, merong papuntang Tinukan. Staging will be Camp Boa, Tinukan, and then yung iba papuntang Santa Ines, which will follow 20. Okay, so trail condition, river, last intel is waist deep, malalaki yung bato, so take it easy. Mabigat yung mga rig, puno yung karga, so take it easy yung load. I would like to advise everyone na our first priority is the safety of everyone. No one, wag kayo magre-risk. If alangan kayo, there are local guides. Listen to the local guides. They will spot you. Kung hindi kayo sure, radio in na sabihin nyo, I'm not sure, then guide will accompany you or will guide you. Pagka magdadrop ng relief goods, wag lahat sabay bababa. Per vehicle, one person per vehicle magbababa, per unloading lang. Yung mga hindi pa mag-unload, wag muna natin bumaba, and make sure to remember to wear your mask. Okay, ayaw natin na may mangyari na may mag-positive doon or meron
yung buong area doon wala pang COVID ever. Kung nagkaroon dahil
tayo yon.
Just finished our briefing. So nauna na ang Daraitan group headed by Tim. We'll be following Sir Alex going to Santa Ines.
Okay.
So yeah, rolling. We are rolling. yeah, mission accomplished. We are on our way home. Feels good. And kaya lahat ng pwedeng tumulong, tulong po tayo. I'm sure meron pa namang supply run. I think by Sunday meron na namang supply run, but supplies right now kulang pa rin. Kahit marami na kaming nadala, marami kaming tumulong dito. 30 kaming rigs sa dalawang location, isang Daraitan, isang Santa Ines. Tapos I think dun sa main locations nagsangapan ng ibang group. So kami 9 rigs, pumunta kami sa loob ng Santa Ines, yung iba dito sa Campoa nagbaba ng gamit. So yung mga relief goods, just please keep them coming in. Let's help out these people, let's help our kababayans. Kahit maliit lang, wala namang problema, hindi naman nakakaya yan eh, diba? Tulong lang tayo, tulong-tulong lang tayo. Alright?